Hello and welcome guys. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can get more discount in hosting on Black Friday deal. So first of all I will show the default offer on Black Friday. So just click the claim deal, then go to the business, choose plan the 48 months. You will redirect it to the purchase screen. You can see there is a 75% discount for the Black Friday deal with $167. So I will use my URL. So if you use my URL you can get from the video description. So I will use this URL, then you can see there are much better offer. I will choose same plan for the business and 48 months. So you can see there's a huge discount now, $134. Before that it $167, almost $33 offer. If you use my URL it is a huge discount. You can use our URL from the video description, so don't miss this chance. The deal will be end in soon as possible, so please sign up and